Hey y'all! Okay, first you'll need to make sure that your face is clean, that your hair is away from your face, and that you're wearing your costume. Now, you'll need to take some liquid latex and a disposable makeup sponge and dab it on different areas on your face, making sure not to get too close to your eyes or your mouth. But if you don't want to wait a long period of time for it to dry, simply use a hair dryer. And after that, you're ready to move along to the next step. Okay, the next step is to take some white grease and cream face paint, as well as some powder, and put it all over your face, ears, and neck area, like so. Okay, now take some black eyeshadow, put it all around both of your eyes, fluffing it out. Then take a black makeup crown and do the same. After that, take some black face paint and a fine-tipped paintbrush, making vein-like patterns leaving your eyes all around, like so. Okay, using some black and gray eyeshadow, do your contouring on your forehead, nose, cheeks, and chin areas. Then, using your fingernail, make holes in the places where you put the liquid latex. After that, use the same black eyeshadow and a fine-tipped paintbrush to go around each hole, like so. Now use red eyeshadow and put it on the inside of each hole. After that, add some fake blood, like so. Now, put on some black lipstick. After that, use a fine tip paintbrush and some black face paint, drawing lines from your mouth upward and downward. Then, get you a makeup sponge and some fake blood, putting it all over the bottom part of the lip, running down. After that, put you some glitter on your eyelids, like so. And now, put on your wig and your accessories. And there you go. Thank you guys so much for watching. This was simple, easy, and fun, as well as spooky. If you liked what you saw, click that like button. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Also, for updates and more, please follow me on Twitter and Instagram, where you'll see behind the scenes photos and more. And don't forget to follow us on Patreon and show us your support to become a part of our star family. Thanks so much, you guys. Bye.